All right, get ready for a microscopic journey into the fascinating world of human skin. You see your skin every day, but have you ever wondered what it looks like up close? Let's dive in and examine hair follicles, sebaceous glands, and the incredible structures just beneath the surface. Here's a wide view of human skin under the microscope. What looks like a smooth surface to us is actually a textured landscape with intricate details. And those little circles? Yep, those are hair follicles. These tiny openings house the roots of our hair and play a huge role in skin function. Zooming in, we get a stunning look at the hair follicle cross-section. You can clearly see the layers surrounding the hair shaft, protecting and nourishing it as it grows. Those clustered shapes around it are the sebaceous glands that produce sebum, skin's natural oil. It's nature's built-in moisturizer. Now check this out. A long tube-like structure stretches across the image. This could be a sweat gland or sebaceous gland duct, responsible for either cooling us down or delivering skin oils to the surface. It's incredible how these microscopic systems keep us functioning. Here's another amazing view of a couple of hair follicles with their surrounding sebaceous glands. These tiny grape-like structures work hard to keep your skin hydrated and your hair smooth. And if you look closely, you might see tiny blood vessels that provide nutrients to the follicles. Here is a perfect close-up of a single hair follicle, stunningly showing all its layers. Right in the center is the hair shaft, with inner and outer root sheaths surrounding it. This is where all the magic of hair growth happens. So, who knew our skin had such an intricate world beneath the surface? From hair follicles to oil glands and even sweat ducts, our skin is a living, breathing system working 24/7 to keep us healthy. Next time you look in the mirror, just remember there is a whole hidden universe happening right beneath your skin.